I'm
All
trying.
right.
Yeah, I'm trying to put like the things like I was struggling with it.
Right.
With the things what I learned. Like,
Okay.
I was struggling with this thing.
Right.
I saw it and I improved to these two things.
Good. Okay. So perhaps then one thing that you had problems with was the verb tense. You know, when to use the past tense verbs, and another problem you had was how to use the
The
families.
families, and I can add here the main ideas in the spelling of.
Yeah, if you want to add on to that part, that'd be great.
Yeah. So, student
Sure.
A, B,
I like that. That's more of an outline, huh?
yeah.
Remember, I learned. There you go. Nice. Look at that. You put a lot into two separate words. I like that. A lot of people spell like this. A-L-O-T. All right? Teachers don't like that. Because it's like a bunch. Right? When you go out and, you know, sometimes I go out and like to buy pick fruit with friends, you know, because my friend works out at a plant nursery where they have a lot of trees. And we get to go out and pick a bunch of fruit, all right? Stuff like that. Yeah, two separate words. You got it. I like that. So, what about main ideas?
They're all like really kind of maintained and focused. No, that's good. Yeah, but you mentioned a little bit different.
Yeah, but I'm going to take, like I said, I'll take one of these now.
Okay.
I'm just going to mention that the second function besides editing is
The main ideas are
Hook. That's pretty good. I like that. What goes at the end of the sentence?
then I would just
I like that. There you go. Get that period in there. Okay. So, where do these go? These are in a paragraph, right? Where do they go in the paragraph?
the beginning.
At the beginning. That's a nice way to put it. I like that. Look at that. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 things that you learned from this one essay, right? Cool. All right. And so now this all answers our third question here, right?
Sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
It's all right. That's what you learned from the assignment, okay? Now, let's take out another sheet of paper. I like how you bring on this paper. This is great.
Yeah. I remember that.
Yeah?
Last time.
Yeah? We used a lot of paper. All right, so the second question is what the student learned from the assignment. Actually, hold on. That's the third one. Oh, what problems did the student learn from what? Where am I? Oh, wait. What problems and challenges they faced?
With the
We skipped what you guys have done here.
They faced with the
Assignment. All right. Assignment is the essay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So what problems did the student, I'm going to cross out, learn from, face from the assignment? That's a big word.
And the thing is, I
Ooh, question mark, not a period. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, what problems? Maybe you have problems with So I think this one kind of simple to write. Yeah. Can you write out like another paragraph?
I don't know why you just have
Okay.
I was struggling from.
I like that. I was struggling. That's a great way to put it.
yeah, that bullet should come out.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
You're right. So how do I start this?
Oh, you
Verb tenses. More than one, right? Okay.
Or to use like paragraphs. You can write like a sentence or two.
Nice.
Reading.
When do you use the past tense?
You know, because I see that with case studies.
And the fun boys.
Okay. Yeah, you're pretty good with the fanboys, you know.
Yeah, it's really hard.
Yeah.
And the second,
Okay. Did you learn anything else with this one assignment?
no, that why, what's problems?
Oh, so okay, this answers that question, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's draw a line here. All right. I like my line squiggly. Okay. What was the first question?
The first,
Number one. How the assignment went for the student. This should be easy.
yeah.
Was this an easy assignment?
No, it was like kind of hard.
Kind
The
of hard?
beginning, yeah.
Okay. I like that. Let's get that question.
I might take this one out, but I might put it before the one with the
Oh, that shows the whole.
yeah. So, I don't know, what do you think? Should I just have this one? Should I override it, or should I
I was going to ask you about that. Okay. All you got now, just answer in a sentence with that question, what you told me.
This might just be good enough, honestly. You might want to put one or the other out. Because I'm looking at you, like, 25.
Yeah.
How long did you
You said 8 to 11 seconds.
Assignment was not
If you have 24
easy.
slides, that's.
It was
You gotta think about it that way.
So, which one?
kind of difficult. Spell difficult?
I'm just gonna make it simple.
I don't know. It's that.
So,
No, I'm checking.
Okay, good, good. All right. I got one. I want to ask you about one thing, okay? You got this comma here, right? Why the comma? The assignment was not easy.
Yeah.
Because that's the end of our statement, right? Now, if you had remember the fanboys? Okay, then I would like to see the comma. But periods are not commas. You know that.
I can, but the assignment was not easy. But
You could do that if you want to add a fanboy. Or we could just keep it in two separate
yeah,
sentences.
just give it.
Right? Nice and easy. This is neat. Okay, now watch. This is the first part, right? So your process note is going to be this part first, this part second. Guess what the third part is?
The thing that we got here.
Right. So all you have to do now, can I see the second picture?
Yeah.
Here's that first question we answered. Here's the second question. Here's the third question. So when you write your final copy, you can put these three steps together, and there's your one process note. See how that works?
Yeah.
Okay? All right. I want to give you a chance to do that. All right? This is a nice main idea, too.
and see, I have this. This shows the viaducts, and this is the above the viaducts, and this is where they're missing the cis, that's
Great idea.
Yeah,
You can
because-
edit yourself and add or take away. That was neat. You added something earlier, right? Because you thought of something like development. Okay, that's good. You can add stuff all the time. And you also decided to take away something. You're more than welcome to do this. You know, you can add and take away as much as you want. Okay? But what you need to keep in mind is make sure you're answering those three questions. You can do it.
3 questions.
Well, those three parts. Remember? Yeah. What did I say?
You said 2 questions.
2 questions? Oh, good. Then that means you know it better than I do.
He's listening to you, Gary.
Good. That was on purpose.